Hi guys, hope all is well and you've had a good weekend. Let's have a quick look over some of the charts here. S&P just coming up to 50-day moving average. The red line that you see here was very good resistance last week for both the Dow and the Nasdaq, so keep a watch on that. Above there, 21-day moving average should well come in, and then I'll be focusing on the 3,400 handle. If we do find some resistance here, we are obviously on a decent push through this morning. Just be aware of what looks like a pretty good line in the sand. I would have it as the low from the 9th, I believe this is, of September, 32.85. Back below there, then I wouldn't be surprised to see us back towards 3,200. So a decent push above there this morning has helped. Obviously the end of month and quarter are upon us, and also Joe Biden and Trump have their first debate tomorrow. The Dow Jones, you can see right on that 50-day moving average, also the low that we had from the 17th of September, very key level, just like the Nasdaq here, you can see is pushed above, but is coming to the resistance of the 21-day moving average. So some big levels to be tested in early trading here. It'll be interesting to see how that develops over the coming session. Above the 21-day moving average, I think the Nasdaq would then take out the 16th of September high pretty quickly. This risk on, if you like, or dollar weakness, depending which way you want to look at it, has helped the pound push higher. What was a fantastic area of resistance last week has been broken through in early trade and has been pushing higher and higher since then. We are just currently hitting some strong previous support. 129.22 is a key level. If we are to finish the hour below where we're trading here and create a double top, it wouldn't be surprising to see us drift back down, back towards 128.69, which is a key next level that I think people will be looking at. Ultimately, this market last week did have a poor week, but found very, very key support that we hit last on the 22nd of July. Couldn't close below there, and I think that's just shaken out a couple of those shorts, and that's hence why we're seeing this push to the upside. The bigger move to the upside can only really happen above 130, so for now keep a watch how we react around here. On the smaller time frames, looking over at the euro, this market not doing as much. However, we had a little push higher, although that just ran into what was solid support on Friday, now resistance today. So keep a watch on that. The pivot area in the euro obviously looks pretty important. So that's the sort of line in the sand that I would be looking at. Below there, just be aware there's probably worth having on a slight trend from the low of, Friday as well. Above the high of the day, you would be looking for Friday and Thursday's double top, which also could argue is resistance point from Wednesday last week as well. That coming in around just above the 117 handle. Gold, you can see, is not really doing too much, pretty flat really from the morning's trade. However, it has hit that low that we had from last week, so that would probably open the door a touch if price was to get back below there. You can see the significance of that level, so certainly keep that marked up there on gold, coming in at 1851.8, a break below there. And I would say, it wouldn't be too surprising to see 1800 come in on a daily close below that. So keep a watch on that for gold. Just to have a quick look over at T-notes, just to sort of show that it's not really, a massive risk move. It seems to be more a dollar play. This market has been unaffected for quite some time. It seems to be better opportunities elsewhere. But yeah, in summary, keep an eye on those 50-day moving averages in both the Dow and the S&P. The Nasdaq has got the 21-day. So yeah, decision time coming. But as a reminder, we are approaching the end of month and the end of the quarter.